Greetings and salutations. I am with a drone, a few steps away from the village of Avata2. This place interests me because there is a picturesque little church here, with its own vineyard. You will see how charming this location is, hidden atop a hill, and known by only a few. The low sun on the horizon, and the golden light, create a truly special atmosphere, with long shadows. Before I fly through the bell tower, let me do a few more passes so you can get a sense of how the vineyard looks, and I can gather some courage. It won't work from this side. Maybe here? This should work here. Slowly and carefully, and it will work. I did it!
Congratulations to Mr. Doobie and his med skills. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and see you next time.